Here is a wonderful 2023 Nissan Titan. Get the job done right with this mighty Titan. Full-size strength meshes with interior refinement and the latest tech to give you the edge in all your endeavors. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, keyless start, satellite radio, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls, trailer hitch. Rugged capability meets refined comfort in this well-appointed Titan. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.